Ultrasabers of Night Jedi. Today I am here to review Ultrasabers quick release coupler. Okay, the idea of this thing is very cool, and it's actually set up pretty cool. What it does is it will connect two like version lightsabers together into one pole type Darth Maulish saber. Okay, it's a pretty cool setup actually. It's on if you can see this, ball bearing swivels. It's got the vents in it, so this way the sounds from both lightsabers will still be heard. Pull on one end, pull out the other. I mean, in cosplay, you could probably do that Darth Maul effect where it cuts through the sabers and he splits it into two, which is actually pretty cool. Okay, now, like I said, it will connect two lightsabers together. So I have here my Initiate V4 in Sunrider Destiny, which I put in one of the color discs. I'll do a review on that one later on to make it a little more green. Alright? And also, I have my Aeon V4. Both of them are V4. This one's the Emerald, so no color disc here. It does it all on its own. What I'm going to do is remove the pommel on both. Take this one out too. It loves going on. Okay. Next, coupler. Goes on exactly like the pommel would. And other one. And we're going to go like so. And there you have it. The cool part about the ball bearing swivels is you can turn it so your buttons are facing each other or facing the same way, so you can just go. Okay, now, I would love to give this a swing around in here, but too small of an area. So let's go outside. But first, let me remove and see you outside. All right, we're outside now. This is upstate New York, so everything's gray, gloomy, and dead, and it's kind of cold out here. But things to take into account with this. If you use a 36-inch blade, two of them, you're already at 6 feet. Whatever size both the hilts are, and the coupler adds 2 inches. So keep that in account when you're swinging, or else you're going to be hitting a lot of stuff that you don't want to hit. So let's try it out. My martial art normally uses the pole from one end, but I am not without skill working it off the center. So here we go. All right. Another thing, be mindful, because if you go like this, you get both of your flashes going, which could be cool for performance. Now you can do the Darth Maul now and split it into two, pretending you're getting hit, but you do what he can't do is reassemble them right on the fly. So, to put this in other words, this coupler is really cool. Ultrasabers, good job, you've done it again.